Okay, so I'm gonna do the tutorial on the Tiffany Co look, but I'm gonna start off with the internet. So what I pretty much did, I typed in, let's see if you can see that. Bear with me, I'm using one hand. And it comes up because I already searched it in company. I went to images. And you can use any logo like I just did right here. Save picture as. I'm not going to save it, I already have it. And you just save it. So then right here you go back to design space, new project. We're going to upload the image. I'll upload this to show you how I took the background out the look. Upload, browse. That's the look that I use. I always use complex for my images. Then continue. So to get all this out, just click right here. It takes all that negative space out. Excuse me while I'm trying to look through the phone and record it. So you're going to save it as a print, then cut image. So you go leave that like that and save. Okay, so you save and it's uploaded right here. So this is the image I just uploaded. I have it so many times because I tried to do this video, but I cut half of it off. So I'm redoing it. And so you insert the look. I use this right here to resize mine. You just resize it to however big you want the image. Like that. So then after that, I go back to upload. You hear my son in the background probably. And that's the Tiffany Co. But I'm going to do this. I'm going to upload a new one for you. So you can see what you have to do to that logo once you get it. I choose complex for that one too. Then go to continue. So this is negative space in the logo also. You take that out. And also there's some in the end right here. Let me go closer for you. There was some right in the end. There's some in the O also. You can take that out too. Continue. You're going to save that one as a print and cut also. So you take the image and you insert it. So of course it's big, but you know you have to resize it. You can leave it that size if you like. And you take it and duplicate it. And put one at the bottom. You duplicate this one again. You're going to duplicate and resize for this whole entire thing. You make it smaller. And you duplicate again. Right here. So also on this image, I have some that's like half of the logo, so I'll go ahead and duplicate and show you how I did that too. So for instance, if I do it like this, but I want it smaller, And I want that like that, but I don't want the top part and the company. So I go to shapes. I just use the square. I bring the square over. I use this turning, or whatever, you know, you want to call it. I just call it a little turning thing. I angle it how it is on the lip so I can get it cut off as close as possible right there. So I move that over, and I move over the Tiffany Co logo to right here. So after I place it how I want it, I go ahead, select it all, and I slice it. And you hear my son and his dad playing. So I put that one right there. I'm not going to use this, so I get rid of all of that stuff. So I go ahead and I duplicate some more, and I resize. Like that. So I want part of that I off, and I want all that T off, and a little bit of the F. So I can actually leave this like that. See how that goes? So I'm gonna move this over like this. Let's see if that, let's make sure. That's not how I had it at first. It was more so like this. So I had a little T part of the owl. Well, that's as close as we're going to get for right now. So I'm going to move this back. Just like that. And I'm going to, I'm sorry. Moving too fast for myself. Hold up. 1 second, I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it fixed and my hand ain't, it's steady. It's holding this phone. So I want to go ahead and select it again. And I want to slice it. And it'll take that part off. So I'll take the Tiffany Co logo and move it right here. So you just keep on duplicating, resizing. You may have to slice some of the lettering off to get it to look the way that you want it to look. So this is the one that I have already made that I showed you in the group. I'm gonna go to my projects. I had a moment right there. Right here. Now I go to customize. Replace it. And this is the look that I posted in the group right here. So as you can see, as I get closer, you can see where I have like the two big Tiffany Co logos. I have them cut, I duplicated, I resized a lot. So I hope that helps everyone that needed to see the tutorial. And that is my son back in here.